Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app for your Google Pixel 6a. So in order to do this, let's start with opening Google Play Store. Next, search for an app and here enter RAR. Now hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, allow all file access for this app. Go back, dismiss this notification, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.